Hey, what's up, guys? So I appreciate you guys stopping back by. I'm just doing a real quick video on a project that I did, just real quick, and some random other stuff. So I'm putting the fairing strips up so I can put on my panels. After my last video, I just was sick and tired of looking at this plastic on this window. That's the long window on the driver's side, and it has insulation, but then it has plastic on the inside. I just, after looking at that other video, man, I was like, dude, I got to get rid of this. I got to cover this up. So I'm doing the same thing like I've done throughout the van, putting this wood paneling up. I'm going to burn it, and so it'll match the rest of the van. But yeah, it's going to be pretty cool when it's done. So yeah, I had to use self-tapping metal screws. I had to put some pilot holes in, but the self-tapping metal screws, so they'll go into the metal. So while I have a minute, I had to turn down the music, obviously, so I don't get a copyright strike or whatever. But so while I have a minute during this part of the video, I just want to say thank you. I really do appreciate the new subscribers. It's awesome. I've had quite a few different comments from quite a few different people on some of my videos, and they keep saying that they have no idea why my channel's not popular and why I don't have a lot of subscribers and stuff like that. And I told them the same thing that I told the other guys. I was like, yeah, I ask myself that question all the time. But you know, I do appreciate you guys subscribing and watching my videos, man. It's pretty cool. It's pretty awesome. Like I said before, I'm trying to get better at it and trying to make them, you know, entertaining and educational at the same time. I apologize. I thought I pressed the record button when I was burning the wood, and I obviously forgot. But you can check out a couple of my other videos that I was doing the same thing and see how I did it. I know it doesn't look like much, man, but so much better than that damn plastic. It already looks so much better in here. But yeah, so I stopped here because I'm going to be putting cabinets up here. So I'm not sure exactly if they're coming all the way down here, if they're going up here or not. But I stopped there for that reason, same as what I did on that side, because I'm doing the same thing over there. Let's see. I have plywood there from before, so I just started with the wood here and went up. I didn't do anything with the window yet, because that's another project later on. So, but just this right here, huge difference, man. Getting rid of that plastic, man. It was just an eyesore. So that was my little project, but it's coming together slowly but surely. Seriously? You're scaring all the fish. First fish of the season. Woohoo! Hopefully a whole bunch more. But here's my nice little spot I was boondocking at, getting the sunset, and enjoying the night. Well, you can't be a van lifer traveling without getting a flat tire. So this is one of my little blowouts I had, and just had to get it fixed. So it was no big deal. Found a used tire place. Just so happens on this trip, I did not have my spare tire. So yeah, my dumbass. Anyway, lesson learned, bring your spare tire. It's that simple. Yeah, I took the spare tire out because I was measuring some stuff underneath the van for another project. But we got it taken care of. Everything's good. Everything's ready to go. And we were back on the road.
Sorry about that. If you're still with me, just trying to have a little bit of fun. But yeah, rock and roll, driving music. Charlie loves it. He doesn't mind. Well, at least I think he doesn't mind. I don't know.